Look, we've all made these mistakes where we cut our winning trade too early and leave our losing trade to run. What's going on, everybody? Black Wolf here. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the mistake you've been making that have been keeping you from being profitable and how you can put an end to this mistake and start winning more and start leaving your winning trade to run and start cutting your losses too early. All right. In my early stage of trading, I was overwhelmed. I couldn't even let the market go in my favor as it's supposed to go, all right? But I do let losing trade to run just like that. Can you imagine? But I quickly cut my trade when I see a small profit. Do you understand? Have you been in this situation whereby, in this condition whereby you immediately see just small profit, you will just cut your trade out? You understand? But when you're losing, you're just feeling like the market will return, the market will return, the market will return. But when the market starts going on your favor, you quickly cut your you quickly cut your profit. This is the problem that we'll be sorting out in this video, right? But as time goes on, guys, I started realizing I have not been paying attention to risk to reward. What is risk to reward? Risk to reward is a key factor that only the top 5% traders understand. And it's a topic that no YouTuber will want to talk about, all right? Risk reward is relatively simple to understand. It simply means the difference between what you risk and what you aim to make from a trade. E.g., now, so let's say you risk $100 on your trade and you set your stop loss and take profit to maximize your potential losses. All right. If you aim to make $100, that means your risk to reward will be 1-to-1, and you are risking the same as you're looking to make. That's bullshit as a trader. You wouldn't want to do any business when you want to make less. Do you understand? Than what you invest, or you want to make the same thing that you invest. You understand? No business. At least if you want to do business, you do a business whereby you risk 1 to make 2, you risk 1 to make 3. You understand? Now, if you aim to make $200. Now, if you aim to make $200, then your risk to reward will be 1-to-2 RR, risk to reward. Then you are looking to make 2 times of what you risk. If you aim to make $300, then your risk to reward will be 1-to-3 RR. That means you are looking to make 3 times of what you risk, all right? If you aim to make $400, then your risk to reward will be 1-to-4 RR. That means you are looking to make 4 times of what you risk. All right. If you're aiming to make $500, then your risk to reward will be 1-to-5. That means you are aiming to make 5 times of what you risk. All right. Now, for example, if you risk $1 on a trade, and your risk to reward is 1-to-2, you'll be making 2, and the market goes on your favor to hit your TP, you'll be making $2. If it's 1-to-3, you make $3. That's what that example means. Now, how to use risk to reward? All right. How to use risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward is an important part of any trading plan. Let's say you develop a trading plan that has 50% win rate. At least your risk to reward must be 1-to-2 RR. Do you understand? Let's say if you take 100 trade, you lose 50 trade, you will still win 50 trades. You understand? You will still be in profit because you are risking 1 to make 2. Let's say you win 50. When you lose 50. 1 times 50, you can see example is here. 1 times 50 here is equal to 50. So 2 times 50 will give you 100. Then subtract 50 from the 100. It will still give you 50%, all right? So you are still profitable 50% of the time. Do you understand? So this is how risk to reward works. As a trader, you must pay attention to risk to reward, all right? As a trader, you must pay attention to risk to reward. Let's say on this NASDAQ trade, now let's do example real quick there. Let's say you sell from this level. You sold from that level. Your stop loss is 50-point stop loss, just like this. 50-point stop loss. You sold from this level, and your risk to reward is 1-to-2. If you are risking $50, that means you'll be aiming to make $100. That's 1-to-2 risk to reward. If you're aiming to make $150, then your risk to reward will be 1-to-3. If you're aiming to make $200, your risk to reward will be 1-to-4. Do you understand? So risk to reward is everything in trading. When I start paying attention to risk to reward, everything clicked, guys. Every damn thing clicked when I just start paying attention to risk to reward. So risk to reward is everything as a trader. You must understand what risk to reward is before you can become profitable. This is the use of risk to reward, and this is what you should be doing as a trader. All right. Now, before we end this video, I thought of a way of helping you guys to become profitable fast. So I write an ebook titled The Advanced Forex Trading Course. The Advanced Forex Trading Course is all you need to become a consistently profitable trader. This book is not like the internet type that has no value in it. You can never read this book and remain the same. I have uploaded everything that I learned for the past 6 years in this book. I mean everything that made me a consistently profitable trader. All right? Forex trading is not hard at all. We only make it hard. The book is very few but essentially powerful, guys. This book is the essential guide to becoming a profitable trader. Now, these are some of the things that are included. What is trading and how can you earn money with trading? The fundamentals to become a profitable trader. Why 90% of traders lose money? The mistake of people who lose money. Habit or what a trader does to be successful. What do you need to earn money from trading? And our 85% win rate strategy. Good risk management and good trading psychology. Good risk trade and money management, all right? And many other concrete information. That is not all, guys. And I am also giving out a free 1-month mentorship for the first 20 people to get this ebook for just $10. Guys, rush and get the ebook now. Click on the link in the description box now. You will see the link to the ebook. Get the ebook, then send me the screenshot and the proof of you getting the ebook on Telegram.